In this video, we're going to do an elbow catch from a sugar tuck, super cool pattern. I teach this one quite a bit, but stay to the end of the video because I have 7 different sugar tuck variations that I'll share with you at the end. We'll see you in a second. To the elbow catch, which is number 5. That's a really cool one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Anchor step. So let's look at that. It's that moment on 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here, because she's given me a moment, I can accelerate this and 5 to the elbow catch. 6, inside turn, anchor step. Let's look at that catch coming to the camera so you can see slow-mo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Already, leaders, I have to start to cheat this way for 4. Then I'm going to shuffle my feet and 5. And 5. When I put her on 6, I don't want to start turning too early. I want her to go straight forward, and now from here she's prepped to turn, inside turn, anchor step. If you want to practice that catch, just raise the hand, go over her head once. Right here, I want to drop my elbow in, and that's going to provide the catch. Does that make sense? You want to practice that? Raise the hand, fingers go outside, she turns, 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 drop the elbow, and that's the catch. And then from there, she should just spin off. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, anchor step. All right, if you're interested in seeing how all the patterns nest together, there's something called the pattern tree chart. You can download it right here for free. It will show you how you can take a whip and build it into a bunch of different patterns, literally like a branch of a tree. And if you just want to see another video called the 9 inside turn variations we did, it's pretty slick. You watch it right here.